If you're seeing the Bosch dishwasher e6103 code flash on your display panel, don't worry. Your dishwasher is trying to tell you something, and it's not the end of the world. The Bosch dishwasher E6103 error usually means there's a problem with draining the water out of the machine. You may notice water left sitting at the bottom of the dishwasher after a cycle, or maybe it didn't even get to finish the wash. Either way, it's stuck, and now so are you. Let's walk through it together because there's a good chance you can handle this yourself. First things first, grab a towel and open up the dishwasher. If you see water pooled at the bottom, that confirms the problem. The machine isn't draining properly. Most of the time, this issue starts with something simple, a clogged filter. Bits of food, grease, and soap can build up over time, and if the filter gets too dirty, water can't pass through easily. The good news? Cleaning it takes just a few minutes and might solve the entire problem. Take out the bottom rack, locate the filter, and remove it gently. Give it a thorough rinse under hot water, maybe with a soft brush or an old toothbrush to scrub away any residue. While you're at it, check the drain area around the filter for any bits of debris or buildup. You'd be surprised what can end up down there. Small bones, pieces of plastic, or even glass. Still seeing the error? Then it's time to look a bit further. Follow the drain hose, the flexible pipe that leads from your dishwasher to the plumbing or sink drain. Make sure it isn't bent, crushed, or blocked. If it's clogged, the water can't escape the machine, and that's enough to trigger the E6103 error. Sometimes, disconnecting the hose and flushing it with water is all it takes. Just be ready for a bit of mess and make sure the machine is unplugged first. Now here's where things get a little trickier. If the filters and hose look fine, but the error persists, the next likely suspect is the drain pump. That's the little motor that pushes the water out of your dishwasher. And if it's jammed or burnt out, no amount of cleaning will fix the issue. You might hear a humming or buzzing sound when the dishwasher tries to drain, or maybe nothing at all. In either case, the pump could be the culprit. At this point, unless you're confident with tools and appliance repair, it's smart to reach out to Bosch service. The same goes if the problem turns out to be the solenoid valve, a small part that controls water flow and can also cause draining issues when it fails. Replacing either of these parts takes experience and the right tools. And then there's one more thing people often miss. Check that the hot water tap connected to the dishwasher is fully open. If the machine isn't getting hot water, it may behave unpredictably, including errors like this one. Also, try resetting the dishwasher by unplugging it for a few minutes and plugging it back in. Sometimes, a simple reset can clear the internal memory and get everything working again. In the end, the Bosch dishwasher E6103 code is annoying, but it's not a disaster. Start with the easy stuff. Clean the filter, check the hose, and try a reset. If the error doesn't go away, a professional will help you fix it, but at least you'll know you've done everything you could. And next time, you'll recognize the signs before the code even shows up.